Hello everybody, it is Mr. Minor Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing Clickworker.com. This website claims you can earn money on it. I'm going to go over, is it a scam? Can you make money? How much money? And is there a better alternative out there? So make sure you stay tuned until the end. So firstly, getting on the website, Clickworker.com. Data powered by crowd intelligence, fast, accurate, and global AI research and development. Improve your AI systems and algorithms with training that is optimized by humans for machine learning. Our Clickworkers handle projects of all sizes, helping you train your AI systems, improve search relevancy, and increase the overall efficiency of your core services. E-commerce, increase revenues, boost conversions, and improve the customer experience with SEO and evergreen content that drives engagement. Our Clickworkers handle creation, categorization, and tagging of content to help you maintain the competitive advantage you need to succeed online. And then we have retail point of sale marketing. Get more value out of your point of sale marketing activities using our POS services that are designed to fit your company. Large scale store visits and checks, as well as catching consumer opinions by our crowd, will offer you valuable information and allow you to act prompt if necessary. So what is this all about? Essentially, what they do is they hire these people called click workers. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering if you should become one. And what you will do as a click worker is you will do micro tasks. This is a micro gig website. That's what most people call them. Another popular one is Amazon Mechanical Turk. I've reviewed that in the past. And what these websites do is essentially you go out and you do small tasks online and you get paid for it, okay? Some of them could be as simple as it'll be like basically those CAPTCHAs where it'll be like pick a train or click all images with a train, things like that. But it does more than that. You could see they're going to ask, consumer opinions on things, right? There's going to be some opinion stuff. There's going to be some actual content creation stuff, and there's going to be stuff basically helping AI learn. So this is an interesting one. However, when it comes to the actual money, it's not that good, but I'll get into that in a second. Again, you can see over here, categorization and tagging, surveys, of course, mobile crowdsourcing, AI training, and text. The only thing that makes this website a little bit different than most is it has that AI training. Okay, a lot of other websites don't really do that. They'll do the rest of them. They certainly have surveys, categorization, data management, mobile crowdsourcing, web research, and text, but a lot of them don't have AI training. It's the only way that this is a little bit unique as a website, okay? More than 2.2 million click workers, company based in USA and Germany, workforce located in 136 countries rather. Over 15 years of micro task experience. Again, it's micro tasks. These are small tasks, and the reality is, guys, being completely honest with you, this website is not a scam. You can make money on it, but for most people, I don't think you're going to make what you think you're going to make, okay? In reality, doing this, you will probably make under minimum wage, which in America is like $11, $10 an hour. So it's really not worth it. You're going to make less than $10 an hour. It's very tedious. It's very boring, and there's no way to get ahead, right? There's no career advancement on this website. It's just, yeah, if you need a couple bucks here and there, maybe you do it, okay? But I actually have a good alternative for you. In the description of this video, there is a link to something called the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program, okay? And what this program does is it'll teach you step by step how to build your own online business using affiliate marketing, okay? And this program, again, just click the link in the description, is going to bring you from absolute know nothing about affiliate marketing to expert, right? It's a know nothing to expert course. It'll teach you everything you need to know. There's testimonials on the website. It has everything you need. Click that link if you're interested. And the reason why I recommend affiliate marketing over this website, and specifically my affiliate marketing program in the description, is because affiliate marketing is scalable. This is not scalable. There's only so many hours in the day you can do this because you're getting paid per task, okay? Versus affiliate marketing, it's very scalable. As you get better at it, you make more and more money. There's people literally pulling in $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 a day doing affiliate marketing, and that's my recommendation to you. Overall, Clickworker is legitimate. It's not a scam. I will give it 3 out of 5 stars. You're just not going to make the money you think. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.